Johnny Rage preparing for this monumental matchup in his career. Possibly the biggest matchup in his career. Wish him good luck. I don't think luck's going to help him against the Wolfman. I hear howling. I think I know what that signifies. Here he is! Danny Wolf! Making himself known on the first ever episode of Megastars.
We are not wrestlers. We're not performers. We're not superstars. We're megastars.
Making a statement. Staring down the bruiser.
That's what it's all about.
That is true. It's all about that one thing. Oh my god! Stare off. Oh wait! No! Oh my god! What the fuck? He just chokeslammed him onto the apron. We had to get a horrifying replay on that. My god. Jesus. And now the match is getting started. The match hasn't even started. Ding ding ding. Oh wait, what? Wait, what? He just threw out the baseball. 1, 2, kick out. He threw out the baseball and then finally hit right in his face. My god. This match is brutal already. What's going on? What? German suplex to the big man, to the Wolfman, Danny Wolf. My god. 1, 2, kick out. Johnny Rage looking fatigued here. We're only about 2 minutes into this matchup, and he's already looking like he's feeling the wear and tear of this matchup. But Danny Wolf's scalp's got to be hurting right now. The lower sternum of Danny Wolf. My god, a counter punch. Johnny Rage not backing down. That's one elbow. Oh my god. Slamming his face into the mat. Oh my god. Uppercut elbow. The Bruiser is still down and out. He might be out for this entire matchup. This is going to be the distraction that he needs. No. What is this? Fall away slam. That move is the bane of Johnny Rage's existence. No. Can we go for that camel clutch maybe? The camel clutch is an unstoppable move.
Triple X, you should have thought of this before you betrayed me.
Sending a message. My god. After what Triple X did to him. Tag team recognition. Wait. No. Brainbuster. What a brainbuster. Hitting it on the big man, who's also a big man, Johnny Rage. No. No, where's this? No, Bulldog! Counter! Counter! The Bruiser is still down and out. No! Oh my god, clothesline. Not quite the spinning clothesline that's taken out so many people, including myself. No! Oh my god! Clothesline turning him inside out. My god. 1, 2, kick out. Can't help but feel bad for the Bruiser here. After that beating that he suffered in the beginning of this matchup. But now, Danny Wolf taking down Johnny Rage, trying to fight back. But his movements are slowed almost to a still. I don't think there's a way that Johnny Rage is getting back up in this match. Oh, ducks the clothesline. Wait a minute. Spine Buster. What the hell? No! Swanton bomb! 1, 2. Oh, his arm's on the ropes. His arm was on the ropes. It was so close. He might have had it, yeah. Danny Wolf did not have the energy to kick out. He had just enough energy to get to the ropes. My god, now he's cheering him on. The Rage might be getting cocky here. Rage is not going for the cover because he's just mocking the Wolfman. Oh no. What are they plotting? All those evil geniuses plotting. What the hell? Danny Wolf can barely stand. This is outrageous. Wait. No. Wait. Back chop. No. Counters. Counters. No, not again. Brainbuster countered. Wait. What the hell? No. What is going on? No. 1, 2. Kick out. Package slam. Package slam. That's more of a roll up. What the hell? No. Oh my god, there's a suplex. Couldn't quite hear it earlier. I had to switch into a brainbuster. But now he can finally connect. This is Danny Wolf's second win in this matchup. I don't think he's going to get a third one. Oh my god, knee. A brutalising knee to the rage. My god. What is going to happen? These two men are exhausted. Oh no.
Hungry.
No. Who's hungry?
Oh, no, I am. Wait, food.
Time for a sandwich. My god. What is he doing now? No. Insult to injury. Ow, what the fuck? Rock bottomed him straight onto his neck.
Oh no.
No. No. Full moon.
Okay.
Bruce just wants to watch. No, wait. Oh my god. Wait. He pulled his leg. He might landed on that. He might buckled the knee. His knee might be buckled. What the hell? This is a screw job. No. I don't think the rest saw it. Oh my god. Backdrop flip slam. My god. My god. What is going to happen? What is going on? No. Oh, what the buzzsaw kick. No, the high drop kick. What a high drop kick. Look at the air he got in that one. 1, 2, kick out.
Come on, come on, Wolf. You don't want this. You know you don't want this, Wolf.
Signifying the end here. Wait. Oh, he's tripping up. He caught him off guard with a kick. He caught him off guard with that kick. What the hell? No. No, wait. What the fuck? Clothesline. No. No. No, no, no way. No, my God. Velveteen, 1, 2. No, wait. No. Bruiser, what the hell? Bruiser. Bruiser, what was that? Not Bruiser. You're out of here. Get out of here. Bruiser has been banned from ringside. Bruiser has been banned from ringside. Bruiser, get out of here. Wait. No, he takes out the Bruiser. The Bruiser is not getting... Oh, wait. The distraction. No. Oh, finishing move. 1, 2. Oh, my God. We can add a new champion right there. Bruiser's banned from ringside. That might have been his last shot of winning the world title. What the hell? The Bruiser is gone. Now it's all Johnny Rage. My God. What's going to happen? 1, 2, kick out. Oh my God. I cannot believe that one. No way. What the hell? No. No way. No. What's going on? No. It's Danny Wolf's got a third win. Danny Wolf's got a third win. No, with a punch. 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 No. Wait, what? No. No, wait. He caught it. Oh my God. Signet for the pile driver. Superman forearm. Stealing a page out of my book there. No. Oh my God.
Pile driver time.
No. That's all over. Wait. Wait, what just happened? Wait. Bruiser. Bruiser, what the fuck? Bruiser. What was that? Danny Wolf was just about standing up. No. No, not like this. Not like this. Oh my God, a second one. 2 finishing moves. 1, 2. Oh, his leg's on the ropes. His leg is on the ropes. What the hell? Danny Wolf, he didn't even mean to do that. My God, the resiliency. The resiliency, the pure grit of Danny Wolf. But he's got to be feeling that wear and tear right about now. I don't think Danny Wolf's going to make it to his feet. I think we might have to start the 10 count. Wait, He made it to his feet. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Johnny Rage is to his feet almost. 6, 7. Danny Wolf's almost up. 8. Come on. 9. Oh, and he's straight to his feet. But Johnny Rage is in shock. No, the big move. No. No way. Spear. That's the prelude. Johnny Rage.
Come on.
He had a lot of momentum. But it's all over now. The prelude, there's nothing stopping him. But Johnny Rage did put up quite the fight. Johnny Rage put up quite the fight. Tonight, wait. Night draw. My God! Wait! What? What the hell? Wait! Pushing him out the ring! What the hell? He's punching him. What the hell? No way. These two are just out of breath. They might as well bring in the ring and end it. This match has gone on long enough. This match has gone on far too long. Generations not do well with these outside climbers. No! What the hell? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He cannot win by count out though. That will not win him the title. 6. Quick count there, Rage. 7. 8, 9, wait, 10. Ding, ding, ding.
Oh, the count was restarted.
What? Oh yeah, I just realised. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just about making the count, but breaking the trampoline in the process. What is going on? Danny Wolf's feeling it.
Go on, Danny Wolf. Danny Wolf's feeling it. Danny Wolf's feeling it. Elbow, Johnny Rage. Elbow, Johnny Rage. Maybe go for a pile driver here.
Wait.
Pile driver to Johnny Rage. Dropping it on top of his head. Almost just wrapped to the spring though. 1, 2, 3. Danny Wolf retains the World Championship.